Hello everyone, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to change Dinka words from singular to plural. So let us begin. Number one, buy, buy, ba, a, I, e, buy. Buy is singular, mean village. Then we change it into plural, it become bay, bay, ba, e, bay. Bay mean villages, villages. Number two, map, map, ma, t, ma, t, map. Map means shall, it is singular. Then the plural is meet, 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 ma, it, meet. Meet means children, children. Number three, num, num, na, o, ma. Num mean head, head, and it is singular. The plural is neem, neem, na, im, ma. Neem mean heads, head. Number four, pal, pal, pa, la, pa, la. Pal, pal mean knife, knife. It is singular. The plural is pal, 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 pa, la. Pal, pal mean knives, knives, knives. Number five, nya, 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 nya. Nya mean girl, girl, girl mean nya in Dinka language, so it is a singular. The plural of nya is nyir, nyir, nya, ra. Nyir, nyir mean girls, girls, girls. Number six, raw, raw, raw mean hippo, hippopotamus, that is hippo. The plural form of raw is roth, roth, roth mean hippos, hippos. Number seven, tick, tick, ta, ik, tick mean woman, woman. The plural form of tick in Dinka is diar, diar, da, ra. Diar, diar mean woman, woman, woman. That is the plural of tick. Number eight, dog, dog, da, dog, dog is boy. The plural form of dog is duck, duck, da, duck, duck mean boys, boys, boys. That is the plural. Number nine, run, run, ra, na, ra, na. Run, run mean person, person, person. The plural form of run in Dinka is coach, 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 ka, cha. Coach, coach mean people, people. That is the plural of run. Number 10, wing, wing, wa, nga, wa, nga. Wing mean cow, cow. The plural form of wing in Dinka is hawk, hawk, hawk. Hawk mean cows, cows. Or you can also say wang, wang, wa, nga. Wang. Wang mean cows. A lot of cows. So let me make a recap. By village, bay, villages, map, child, meet, children, num, head, neem, heads, pal, knife, pal, knives, nya, girl, near, girls, row, hippo, rod, hippos, tick, woman, dear, woman, dog, boy, duck, boys, run, person, coach, people, wing, cow, hawk, cows, wang, cows. William. So this is the end of our short lesson. So if you like plural, then tell me so that I can make more lesson about the plural only. Okay, this is the end of our short lesson. Thank you for those of you who subscribe, those of you who like, those of you who share the video. I really appreciate you guys. So we are here together to learn. So it encouraged me when you share the video so that other people can also get it and they also learn. So it is very important to me. Okay, this is the end. Bye. Nyali Kawek, Kuyania, William Majak.